We are about to commence the failure test of a single span truss. ANSYS has told us that the single span should be sufficient to withstand a 66 Newton load with a safety factor of 2. We are going to test with 1.75 gallons of water, which equals 15 pounds, which is about 66 newtons. One end is fixed, all degrees of freedom are constrained. The other end is simply supported, so we're constraining in the y direction, allowing for x and z motion. We've used only links to make our truss, only pin joints, no glue involved. And this is 1/8 by 1/8 inch cross section balsa wood. Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
All right, ANSYS, show us what you're worth.
Do it slowly.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Yeah, not a chance.
Uh-oh. Well, we do. It is definitely going out of plane, which is what we expected to have it would fail. Which is not anything we modeled in ANSYS. And she's dying a slow death.
There it is.
So she didn't really quite get even about probably half of the load. I was
Because it went on a plane.
holding on, but it wasn't. Nothing failed. The compressive force was never reached. So, this is trial number 2. The first trial, we had the problem where the load was not applied perfectly in the center of the structure, so we had out-of-plane motion. So now what we're going to do is constrain the motion to one plane to try to better approximate the analysis that we did in ANSYS. So Miles is going to only apply a force in the x direction. You can only use x direction forces.
Z direction.
Z. Now remember, we have one end that's fixed and one end that's simply supported. And I have 15 pounds of water, which I will gently descend awkwardly.
No,
you gotta be ready, Miles.
dude. You want me?
You want under. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. You got use both fingers so in case it goes both ends.
Okay.
Both ends.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Gently, 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 gently. Oh, we're getting close. We're getting really close. I'm oh, that was super close.
The only reason that it failed was the needle started to bend.
Well, I would call that a near success.
A near success. I like it.